This is going to be a low battery issue on a Honeywell home or a Resideo home, depending on the branding you've got. They both work exactly the same, just a different branding on them. This is the Tuxedo version, so it'll be Tuxedo W, Tuxedo WC, depending on, again, the branding. I've got a low battery error on the top of my panel here. Now, there's two different types of low batteries. Well, there's a lot of different types of low batteries. Two common low battery issues. One would be the low battery in the panel itself, like your backup battery. The other is a sensor battery. So when you get this error on your keypad, there's two buttons down here that look kind of alike. And I don't know why Honeywell designed it this way, but they did. This is your panic button. If you hit that, that takes you into panic. You can actually push the button, hold, and it's off the panic alarm. You don't want to do that. What you need to do is you need to click security. And down here on the bottom right, there's another exclamation mark with a circle, not a circle, and then a triangle. Click this and it'll come up and tell you what the problem is. So I can see over here, one of my dining room windows has a low battery in it. Now, if I'm trying to set my alarm, or I don't want the alarm to go off in the meantime, because I'm going to change the battery, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to bypass that sensor. I'm going to enter my code in there. I'm just going to use the installer code. And now that bypassed that zone. So what will happen if I go into that zone and open that sensor up? As soon as I open that sensor up, it sets off a tamper alert. Your panel's going to start beeping at you. If you have monitoring, you're actually going to send a signal to the monitoring station. If you don't answer the phone, the police are going to be showing up to your house. So make sure you either bypass the zone or you call the monitoring company before you change batteries or open up any of your devices. So I changed the battery in my unit. I'm going to go back in here, security, hit my little exclamation. It's going to show the dining room window, the little flag on it. I'm going to clear the bypass on it. I'll do that by entering the installer code again, or you would use your code at the time, whatever it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it is. And you'll see now I'm ready to arm. So I got rid of my trouble code. And again, if you're going to change your battery in something, make sure you bypass the unit. And that'll keep it from beeping at you. If you don't bypass the unit, you pop the cover off whatever device you're changing, it's going to start beeping at you. You got to run back, hit the start key or hit the off key to keep it from beeping at you. And again, if you have a monitoring service, it will notify the central station as a tamper because it looks like somebody's breaking your sensor. And again, that's how to clear a low battery code for a sensor on the Honeywell Tuxedo.